Have a look, these are the electronics 5000 watts, square model, 50 by 50 active area, so the white area is active area, total size 66 by 66, it's working with any kind of dies, have a weight of 17 kilo and the thickness for the electronic is 2 centimeters. I have two pieces ready. I have one more piece, 2500 watts, active area it's 30 by 30, it's smaller than this and it's very easy to carry. It's 50 by 50 total size, 1 centimeter thickness with 6.7 kilo. The electronics are very strong. You can put in the floor or in the table. You can walk on the electronic, it's not a problem. Now let's see something new. And this looks very interesting for you. It's 5000 watts, the same power like this. But be careful, these have 17 kilo. These have only 9 kilo. And these have 2 centimeter thickness. These have only 8 millimeter thickness. Active area 50 by 30. Ultra slim, ultra easy to integrate in any regular table. And have only 9 kilo. Total size have 70 by 50. Look, and I have 5 pieces ready. Have a look, please. All these electronics work with all kind of dies. Doesn't matter if it's solid dies, transparent dies, doesn't matter. And what is good, it's ready. Pay today, have it tomorrow. Or come today and take it right away. Any other electronics we can make in 1 to maximal 2 days.